Well, to other news, a blow of to discreet peace talks between the centre and the Hurriyat leaders. Fazal Haq Qureshi, one of the key pro-dialogue voices, was attacked and critically injured in Srinagar on Friday. Qureshi is a close aide of Hurriyat leader Mirwais Umar Farooq. Fazal Haq Qureshi was a key pro-dialogue and moderate voice within the Hurriyat. His condition at the moment is said to be critical. The shooting is seen by many as an effort to derail peace talks. Mufti Islah has more.
A brutal attack to silence the moderate voice. Fazal Haq Qureshi injured in the attack by little-known militant group Al Nasirin being rushed to hospital. 60-year-old Haq, a key associate, has always thrown his weight behind moderate Hurriyat Conference Chief Mirwais Umar's peace process, included the freshly launched quiet talks by Home Minister P. Chidambaram. The attack on Haq is seen as an attempt to derail the peace process.
An attempt to target moderates who are committed to the peace process in this way has to be seen as a setback, and we have to ensure that it doesn't derail the process.
The Hurriyat moderates are taken aback by the attack but still undeterred and have decided to continue talks with the centre.
हम उन एलिमेंट्स को बता देना चाहते हैं कि हुर्रियत कॉन्फ्रेंस जो है इन हमलों से डरेगी नहीं, हम पीछे नहीं हटेंगे। हमने ये फैसला किया है कि कश्मीर के मसले को हम इंशाअल्लाह उसके मंतकी हल तक पहुंचाएंगे।
We believe in certain principles, we believe in certain ideology, so nobody can threaten us while we are pursuing our ideas and ideology.
Haq, who was the point man for Hizbul Mujahideen, which entered into talks with centre in 2000, was also part of the 4 rounds of the centre Hurriyat dialogue. The attack on him has angered the Doves and they have called a Kashmir Bandh on Saturday. With Mufti Islah in Srinagar, in New Delhi, Devashri Mahajan.